Ngayong sinurprise ka namin karawan mo, ano masabi mo sa Sinister?
When there is love, I can't wait to talk about it when things get rough. I like to walk with you when it's night. I'd like to be the light that's missing and remind you every minute of the future isn't written now.
Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo? Any comment? Hello! Yes. Meet and greet part 2 from Bettina. Brian? Hi sis, happy birthday. Di kasi ako sanay ng mga ganitong greetings pag birthday. Basta ingat na lang palagi and salamat big time. See you soon. Wow. From Rona. Loves, happy birthday. More birthday gusto ka. Wish you all the best. It's your day so you should be happy. Sorry if wala ako sa birthday mo. Alam mo naman kung gaano ko kagusto na pumunta dito. Kaso may problem. Basta sensya. Nga pala, if you need a friend or a sister, nandito lang PG. Nandito lang kami for you. We love you. Happy birthday ulit. From Samantha Cruz. From Samantha Angelic Face. Huwag na. Sam na lang.
Tuloy mo daw, tuloy mo.
Ha?
Tuloy mo daw.
Yun. Gugulong. From Samantha Angelic Face with meaningful smile with mega sensitiveness. Cruz. Mas maganda pa din ako sa'yo. Happy birthday. From Eman Sosa.
Dali! Dali!
Para kay Samantha Cruz, mas maganda din ako sa'yo. Happy birthday. Ako nag-edit ng video mo. Wala lang. Happy birthday ulit. We love you. That's all. From Luis. Maria Teresa Cristobal, happy birthday. Huwag mo na ako tatarayan ha. I love you. Wow, napakahaba ng kanyang message pero sobrang malaman. From Elgin. Hi sis. Mas matanda ka na sa akin pero ayun, maliit ka pa din. Sakit? Tama na to. Higin na natin to isa. Please, ang wish ko pa din sa'yo ay happiness. Gusto ka maging happy ka. Tapos, pag dumating din yung time na dumating ang iyong man of your dreams. Ha? Pero bata ka pa kahit na 19 ka na. Huwag mo kakalimutan na andito pa din ako sa'yo palagi. Kahit na kulang na ang bonding natin, miss na kita, yung tatlo tayo ni Rona. Sana makaalis tayo ulit. Wow, lulukot si MG. Miss na kayo. Isa ka pa din sa una na naging kaibigan ko sa Lyceum, the Philippines of the Universe. Ha? Lyceum, the Philippines. You're occupying a big space in my heart. Nakaka-announce.
Parang pinapalas siya ba?
Mahal na renta nito. Kahit na nagmamaldita, nagsusungit, nagsasalita na parang machine gun, nagalit, umiiyak na parang nanay ng buong PG. Ikaw pa din si Maria Teresa ng buhay ko. Sweet. Santa Sis, happy birthday. I love you. So that's all. Masabi ko lang happy birthday. Gusto ka. May pagkain. May chocolate. Bye-bye.
And I'm running around the block, I talk a lot, I walk the dock until I find the best swimsuit. Every now and then I gotta get a bit of treatsy, give a little wink if you know what I mean. See, hey, look, slipping like a water slide, seeing better when I do it and I close my eyes. This place is better than I ever thought, never a thought, couldn't ever reasonably buy. Free hotness, don't stop this, can't top this. Let's drop this beat and hurry up and get on the pier. Everyone is coming and I'm drumming severe. Now get on top, I leave this if you don't look down. Now let it pop, try to see get on top. Probably best if you don't